Welcome to Cheapy's username recovery tutorial. If you forgot your username or password, don't worry because the retrieval process is fast and easy to follow. First, click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Login pop-up window. Next, click on Forgot Username or Password located beneath the orange Login button. This will open a new pop-up window. As you can see, there are two recovery options: Reset Password and Recover Username. To recover your username, enter your email address in the Recover Username section and press the orange Send button located at the bottom of the pop-up. If you've entered a valid email address that was used to sign up for Cheapy.com, a green confirmation text will appear above the Send button. To recover your password, enter your email address in the Reset Password section and click on the Send button. And that's it. We will immediately send you an email containing your Cheapy username or instructions on how to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam folder. If you're still having trouble accessing your Cheapy account, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll assist you as soon as possible.